Hello all, welcome to Naruto Masters Academy, our daily current affairs including GS and GK. Let's move to the first question. Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? In the state of Madhya Pradesh. Alarming tiger deaths and hunting incidents have been reported in Madhya Pradesh Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, located in Umarai district between in Vindhyan and Satpura ranges. It becomes a national park in 1968 and a tiger reserve in 1993. Now, its valleys, hills, plains, and historic Bandhavgarh Fort, the reserve has tropical moist deciduous forest with sal, mixed forest, grasslands, and bamboo. The next question. Recently, India hosted 14th India-Vietnam Defence Policy Dialogue in which city? In which city? In the city New Delhi. India hosted the 14th India-Vietnam Defence Policy Dialogue in New Delhi on August 1st, 2024. The meeting aimed to strengthen bilateral defence ties and coincidence with Vietnamese Prime Minister Pham Minh Ching's visit. It was co-chaired by India Defence Secretary Giridhar Arme and Vietnam's Deputy Minister of National Defence Hong Kong Sin. Both sides reviewed cooperations across areas and signed a letter of intent to enhance training exchanges. Next question. Legionnaires disease recently seen in the news is caused by which agent? By the agent of bacteria. Australia's Victoria has 71 confirmed cases of Legionnaires disease, which with one woman dying. This serves form of phenomena of is caused by Legionella bacteria found in natural bodies of water and water systems like tanks. It spreads through inhaling contaminated water aerosols, not person to person. Symptoms include fever, chills, headache, malaise, and muscle pain. While treatments are available, there is no vaccine for this disease. Next question. What is INS Selkie recently seen in news? Diesel electric submarine. The Indian naval submarine INS Selkie, the first submarine built in India, arrived in Colombo for a 2-day visit. The Shishkwar class diesel electric submarine, commissioned in 1992, was constructed by Amazon Dock Limited in Mumbai. It is 64.4-meter long, carries 40 people, and has a displacement of 14,050 to 1850. 1450 to 1850 ton. Its speed ranged from 11 knots surface to 22 knots submerged, with a range of 8,000 nautical miles. Next question. What kind of missile is Astra Mark 1 Mk1 missile recently seen in news? Nothing but air-to-air beyond visual range BVR missile. Nothing but it called as BVR, beyond visual range missile. The Indian Air Force has approved the production of 200 Astra Mk1 missile for Su-30 MKI and Tejas aircraft after Deputy Chief Air Marshal Ashutosh Dixit's visit to Bharat Dynamic Limited, that is nothing but BDL. Developed by DRDO and made by BDL, Astra Mk1 is an air-to-air missile with a range of 80 to 110 kilometers and a speed of Mach 4.5. DRDO is also working on the Astra Mk2 with a range of 130 to 160 kilometers. What is glioblastoma? Glioblastoma recently seen in news. It is a type of brain or a spinal cord cancer. In a new study, scientists used AI to convert glioblastoma cancer cells into dendritic cells, which helps the immune system target and kill cancer. Glioblastoma is a fast-growing brain or spinal cord cancer caused by DNA mutations originating from astrocytes that supports nerve cells. It makes its own blood system, involves health tissues, and is more common in older adults, according for nearly half of adult brain tumors. Yamini Krishnamurthy, who recently passed away, was associated with which field? By the field in the field of classical dance. India mourned the loss of Yamini Krishnamurthy, a revered classic dancer who passed away at 83 in New Delhi. Mastering Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, and Odissi, she elevated India classical dance globally. Born on December 20th, 1940 in Andhra Pradesh, she began her dance journey at 5, training at Kalakshetra School under Bharatanatyam legend Rukmini Devi Arundale. Next question. Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, recently seen in news, is located in which state? In the state of Assam. A mahout from Darang district was tragically killed by a wild elephant at Pobitra Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Assam Moregaon district. Pobitora is home to a highest density of Indian one-horned rhinoceros, with across 102 rhino in 38.8 square kilometers. The sanctuary, declared in 1987, featured alluvial lowlands, marshes, and wet savanna bordered by Brahmaputra River to the north and Ganga Belt to the south. Next question. Which state recently became the first in India to buy all crops from farmer at MSP? Nothing but market special price. Haryana, in the state of Haryana. So Haryana Chief Minister announced the state procurement of all crops at minimum support price (MSP), making its first in India to do so. Additionally, he waived rupees 133 crores in irrigation charges and promised rupees 137 crores in pending compensations for crop damage due to natural calamities. Next question. Which among of the following is called financial backbone of Indian power sector? Nothing but Power Finance Corporation. Power Finance Corporation Limited (PFC) is the central public sector undertaking under ownership of Ministry of Power, Government of India. It was established in 1986 and is the financial backbone of India power sector. Its status was raised from Navaratna to Maharatna in October 2021. Next question. For which of the following industries in India the government is running a scheme called Remote? Nothing but quiet. The scheme is rejuvenation, modernizing, and technology upgradations of the quiet industry. That is nothing but remote, and aims providing financial assistance to groups of spinners and tiny household workers for replacement of outdated rat looms, establishment of worksheet, etc. Next question. Economic growth is normally coupled with inflation. Economic growth results in higher disposable income available with the consumers, with increasing the overall demands along with the supply available for the consumers. This increase in demand supports inflation, which eventually becomes a necessary evil of growing economy. Next question. Which state government recently launched Mukhyamantri Mayan Saman Yojan? Nothing but Jharkhand state government has recently launched the Mukhyamantri Mayan Saman Yojan. The scheme provides financial aid to women for their empowerment, education, health, and nutrition.